Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Xbox Cloud Gaming on Fire TV Pro guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure your Fire TV is updated to the latest software version. Connect your Fire TV to a stable Wi-Fi network for optimal performance. Next, navigate to the Amazon App Store on your Fire TV home screen. In the search bar, type Xbox Game Pass and select the official app from the results. Click on the download button to install the Xbox Game Pass app. Once downloaded, open the Xbox Game Pass app from your apps list. Sign in with your Microsoft account that has Xbox Game Pass Ultimate. If you don't have a subscription, you can sign up directly through the app. After signing in, you'll see a list of available games for cloud streaming. Select a game you wish to play from the library. Before launching the game, ensure your Xbox controller is paired with the Fire TV. To pair the controller, press the pairing button on the controller until the Xbox logo flashes. On the Fire TV, go to Settings, then Controllers and Bluetooth Devices. Select Game Controller and choose Add Bluetooth Controller. Once your controller appears, select it to complete the pairing process. After the controller is connected, return to the Xbox Game Pass app. Launch the game you selected earlier by clicking on Play. Wait for the game to load, and you're ready to start playing. Enjoy your Xbox Cloud Gaming experience on Fire TV. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.